Okay, okay, here we go, everybody. Thanks for having me. Yeah, it's very great to be here to tell you guys more about the Incubation Center program. Actually, we just launched this program together with the Filecoin Foundation and also with us, the Venus team, because we want more small miners to join this network together with us. Before I get started, let me tell you guys more about the network status currently. As we get the data from the first scan, and we can check about the network storage power that is over 7 EIB right now. This is very huge, and we do make this great contributions together with developers, with miners, with the other ecosystem participants. That is very great to be here, to have such a great distributed network here. And we do see great storage power growth every day. As you can see, that is over 30 petabytes every day. But we do see a number here. You see, as you guys can see here, that is over 90% active nodes now in the Filecoin network. That is belongs to small and medium miners, and most of them are less than 5 petabytes. So that is really really not a great thing. We do want small and medium miners to join this network, and we do want them to have a proper or stable rewards later on to work together with the whole network. But we do spawn some feedbacks or some questions or some feedbacks from the small miners, especially about how to join this network and how to run smoothly in this network. So we worked together with the Filecoin Foundation team and with the Venus team together to bring you guys about the Incubation Center program. Okay, let's check out about the for implementations for now. As you guys can see, now most of the people, most of the miners or storage providers in the network, they are running with Lotus, right? And recently we do have a very huge, great, you know, um, updates about Hyperdrive upgrade. Yeah, that is very great to see if we can lower the gas fee or improve the storage to the Filecoin network. And we do see Venus here. Venus here, as you guys can see, after hand over to RPFS Force, our team are working very hard toward this project about this implementation. And currently, we have done the security audit, and we do support to run the distributed mining pool. So together, we are working with so many community members together to make Venus better and better. And now we do see they have about 20 nodes are running with Venus. And we do have the other two implementations too. As you guys can see, we have Phone and Forest, and they are still under development. And we do look forward to the updates later on. Okay, so for Venus, a quick overview. Okay, as I said, we do have the interoperability with routers. That means if you have a node that is currently running with routers, you can switch it to Venus or have a try about how's the performance of Venus. And if you see the Venus is not that expected, you can just switch back to routers. So that is pretty easy for you to do so. And we do integrate with the latest consensus release, like the Filecoin Network V11, V13. This kind of consensus release, we will think with the whole network. So do not worry about that. And we do try our best to utilize some message or gas mechanism, like we do have separated modules like Messenger, and we do have separate modules like Venus Sealer and Venus Miner. So this kind of mechanism or architecture will make the messenger or gas more utilized more than ever before. And we do have currently we do release the Venus 1.0. This is a really huge milestone for Venus team that we did. We do pass the security audit, and we do have around 20 nodes are running in the Filecoin network. And later on, we will bring more people to the Filecoin network through Venus implementation. And now we do support the distributed mining pool. This is a mining pool. Actually, this is a distributed one. It means together all the small and medium service providers to the Filecoin network through this way. So that is very great to see people to join the Filecoin network to run with Venus or the other implementations. Okay, let me tell you guys a bit more about the architecture of Venus, about how can we do that. As you guys can see, we do have the shared modules here, yeah, as you guys can see, and we do have the independent modules here, like Venus Seeder and Venus Wallet. So for people who want to run with Venus, you just prepare your Venus Seeder. That is enough, and you can connect with the Venus Wallet, and then we can connect with the whole structure here through the Venus Gateway to connect with the shared modules, like you guys can see from with Venus Messenger, and Venus Miner. So those kind of mechanism will make it really simple and easier for you guys to connect with the Venus architecture. And from the very first day when we get the Go Filecoin, and now we call it Venus, we are trying our best to do a modular architecture. And we do see recently, Lotus, they are also working toward a modular architecture. That is very great, because with the modular architecture, we will get every different independent modules to work it really well, like the Venus wallet. We will work our best to make it more secure more than ever before. Okay, so this is a quick overview about the Venus architecture. About the key features about Venus, and maybe from the two slides before, you cannot see how's the main points about the Venus, but here we do have something to share with you guys. The first one, that is about the security part. Just as I mentioned, we do have separated independent modules like wallet, like Venus wallet, right? So it will not show, like we will not have a scenario like when your sector have some kind of penalties happen, you will not lose your whole assets. Yeah, so that is really important for people to run in the Filecoin network, and we do try our best to make it more, confidential of the data in the whole system. Another part about that is the fault tolerance. We do have a flexible schedule when sector faults occurs when running with Venus. Like if you found some issues in the proof commit stage, and you're right at the proof committed stage, you will not go back to the pre-committed stage. You do not need to go back from the very first stage. You can continue with the errors that happen at that stage. Yeah, maybe, yeah, that's the proof committed sector stage. You can just resume back from that certain stage. So you do not need to go back. Yeah, so it can save you some kind of time and will make it more efficient to do so. Another part about that is we are mentioning about the storage pool friendly. So that is, we do have the utilized messenger, the Venus messenger. So we do not see like duplicated message posted everywhere. Yeah, we will try best to save the message that you posted to the Filecoin network, especially for the essential one that you can post it just easily to the Filecoin network. But for some messages you will see right now, you will see like duplicated messages to the Filecoin network. But with Venus, with the storage pool, with the Venus messenger, this shared module, you can see just messages will go through the Filecoin network pretty easy, and just use the simple one. Yeah, and we do support the distributed mining pool. Like I said, we do want to connect more people or more small and medium nodes or storage providers to the Filecoin network through this mechanism. And we do have another, actually that is about 6 features about why Venus. The first one that is, yeah, it's pretty simple and easy. Yeah, we do have the interoperability with Lotus for now. And so if you ever want to have a try, you can just switch from Lotus to Venus, and you can also switch back. Yeah, it is pretty easy for you guys to do so. Other than security, I want to tell you guys more about the cost efficiency, because our team are working toward a modular architecture. So we do work really hard to bring down the overall cost of hardware or software to build your own service provider node in the Filecoin network. So through the modular architecture, our team did that. So you will not use really high end, like the top end machines to run in the Filecoin network. So that will save your money and save your time to do so. Another part is it's pretty convenient and simple. So especially for small miners, you can just connect with the shared modules and just prepare your own Venus seeder or your own Venus wallet. Then that is enough. You can just try to connect with the shared modules and then you can run in the Filecoin network. Another part about that is we do want to try our best to maintain a proper lucky value. And so you guys can earn some proper or stable rewards. Yeah, we are still working on this part, but later on, I think we will have huge performance here. Yeah, for message pack friendly, I just explain more a bit more. Yeah, just as I mentioned, we do try our best to reduce the duplicate message pack. So we do have a Venus Messenger. Yeah, we do have an optimized Venus Messenger from Venus to improve this kind of efficiency. Okay. Okay, so yeah, back to the main point about the Incubation Center. Yeah, recently we launched it with the Filecoin Foundation team on July 12th, and now a lot of people apply for this program, and we do receive so many great feedbacks from you guys. So what is the Incubation Center? Actually, this is some free services and financial support powered by the Filecoin Foundation team. We do want to make it really simple and convenient for small miners, especially small miners or medium miners in the Filecoin network to run or to join this Filecoin network to run with the Venus implementation. So we can, with this program, we do try our best to lower the cost and the barrier for people to join this Filecoin network. About the free service here, actually that is about the cost saving. As you can see, all the cost for the shared modules, like I mentioned, like Venus Messenger or Venus Gateway or Venus Miner, those kind of shared modules, we will just put it into the cloud service, and the fees about the cloud service will be covered by the Filecoin Foundation team. So you guys just to prepare your own seeder and connect with Venus wallet, then that is enough for you to join this incubation center. And we do have the technical support. Technical support is by Venus team. We will try our best to help you guys to do the operation and the maintenance. If you guys found any issues, we will have a team that is 7 days, 24 hours to help you guys solve those kind of issues. So do not worry about any issue that happening in the Filecoin, service provider incubation center, because we do have a team that they do have really strong and powerful experience to help you guys to solve all the issues that you experienced when running with in the Filecoin network. Yeah, because we do see some feedbacks from some independent service providers. Yeah, they do not have enough experience or skills, to run in the Filecoin network, but with technical support from Venus team, and with the cost-saving cloud service like the shared modules supported by the Filecoin Foundation, I think that is really great for you guys to build your own node in the Filecoin network and make it have a proper running or to have a proper stable rewards. Okay, tell you guys a bit more about the rules and requirements. We do try our best to make it very simple and easy. So as you guys know, we opened for application on June and we close it on July 19th. So so if you meet those requirements, like if your current storage power is less than 1 petabyte, and you can maintain a daily power growth that is equals or beyond 2 terabytes, and run with Lotus, and run with Venus implementation. Then you guys, okay, hey everybody, how about the network?
We can hear you, Tim. You broke up a little bit there, but now you're back.
Okay, great. Because it shows the network is not that stable. Sorry about that. So about the requirements, yeah, if your current storage power is less than 1 petabyte and data growth power growth is equals or more than 2 terabytes, and run with the Venus implementation, then you are in. Yeah, And we do heard some feedbacks about the daily power growth for some miners. For some of them cannot meet these requirements. Actually, 2 terabytes it's not that huge when we compared with before. And now currently the pledge is lower, and we do heard about your feedback. So we are thinking maybe later on we will try to lower the power growth. Maybe we have for the phase 2 or phase 3 or phase 4, because that is about 4 phases for this whole program. This is for 1 year. So currently we are open for 50 matters first and see how's that going. And if we get more feedbacks or more issues when people found that it's hard to maintain a 2 terabytes power growth, then we'll try to modify about that. So do not worry about that. And we do love to hear from your feedbacks about these requirements. And we do want to bring more vendors, bring more small and medium service providers to join in this network. So
Tim, question for you. So okay. I think the message you're sending is like apply, right? Even if you don't have 2 terabytes a day, 2 TB a day ceiling power, just apply. You're gonna look at the opportunities. So everyone who's out there, if you're interested, just go to the incubation center. And as you heard from Tim, right, there's more programs coming, and also, we're trying to support the community where possible. So we'll reassess, and this is all good feedback. Thank you so much, Tim, for driving this. This is awesome.
Okay, thanks for reminding, Stephen. Okay, yeah, so do not worry about that. You just can apply first, and we will see how's the situation and get you guys in. Yeah, we will try our best to get you guys in. So if your storage power is over 1 petabyte, or you have run in the incubation center for over 90 days, so you can drop out from this program. So we have the other miners or the other service providers to join this program. So as you guys can see, we do have another sub-program like the Venus Master. So this one we do want people to work together with Venus team to provide the technical support for the service providers in the incubation center. So if you have really strong or powerful experience, and you previously maybe like you provided the technical support to the other service providers, we do love to feature you. We do love to have you in this program. So together we can earn about 1,000 field prize pool. So if you can, we will provide the proper training for you guys, because for some people, they do not know, they are not that familiar with Venus architecture or with this modular architecture. So we will provide the proper training for you guys. So do not worry about if you have a really strong experience before in the with routers. I think that you are okay to join this program to be a Venus master. So to be a Venus master, we do allow you to to support at least 5 miners and support them for at least 1 full phase of this project. They will see about your contribution and work together with Filecoin Foundation team to give you a prize like that is total you can earn around 1,000 field prize pool. So this one we will get it started during September. Okay, let's take a look about the timeline. As I mentioned, so this is a program for 1 year, for 1 year. And totally we will have about 165 miners. So the first phase, then we will have about 50 miners from July 26 to October 24. That is about 90 days for phase 1. So 50 miners will join this program, and we will try our best to provide the technical support and hear about your feedback and the feedback with this program or with Venus, all kinds of feedback we do work on. So we will try our best to utilize this program too. So for phase 2, that will be from the October to the end of this year. So we will bring about 40 miners. So for 2022, we will bring about 50 and 60 miners. So total, there will be about 165 miners together. And we do have a Venus Master Program open on the September. So for people, if you guys have provided technical support for service providers, or you guys do have strong experience with routers or in the Filecoin network for a very long time, we do love to have you. And we do love to have about 3 to 5 members, 3 to 5 teams, yeah, from the October to the end of December, and we will get you guys trained, and so you guys can provide the proper training and the proper technical support for the people who join the Incubation Center program. So that is the whole timeline here about that. So do not worry about how to be a master or how to join this Incubation Center. You can just apply first, and we will tell you guys more about that, like provide the proper training and have people to work together with you to solve all kinds of problems or issues that you face in this Incubation Center. And look forward to the roadmap of Venus. As you guys can see, we will still try our best to utilize all the modules, especially about the shared modules. Yeah, because we do want to share all those kind of modules together to put it in the distributed mining pool. So we want the shared modules to be really more efficient and powerful. So, and we do want to have your own feedback too. And from that time on, and we will work on the market modules, like market modules, as you guys know, that is really important to have stories, to get stories and the retrieval market to be ready. So now we do see a lot of great data storage on the Filecoin network, and most of them belongs to rare data. Like we do see from the slingshot program, a lot of useful data from companies or from personal, they are stored in the Filecoin network, and we do want to encourage this with the Venus implementation. And further goes on, and we will bring guys about distributed mining pool. And now we can see the incubation center as a mining pool, like a mechanism like that. And we will try our best to utilize that. And so later on, we will bring more people to join this distributed mining pool. And you guys can provide more powerful and useful storage to the Filecoin network. So yeah, these are the channels for you guys to learn more about this incubation center. You can also find us on Venus on the GitHub through the Filecoin project Venus. And if you guys have any kinds of issues or problems that you faced in the incubation center, or if you guys have any kinds of questions, you can ask at the Slack channel for Venus, and you can scan this QR code for the application of the incubation center. So just like I mentioned, do not worry about the application. We do hear about your feedbacks, and we will try our best to, like, maybe later we try to modify the rules, because the goal here is to bring more people, like a small the small storage providers to the Filecoin network. So that is a goal. And you can also send me the emails for Venus team at venus@apfsforce.com. So that's all for today. Thanks for having me.